and it is my honor to be your MC for this evening and to welcome you to the 2025 AJAC Apprenticeship Graduation Ceremony. We're thrilled to have you here for our 11th annual celebration right here in the iconic Museum of Flight. Tonight is indeed a celebration, and we've come together to celebrate and honor the dedication, the grit, the growth, and the perseverance of the graduating apprentices. These individuals are about to journey out into the next phase of their careers. So these graduates aren't just stepping into careers, they're stepping into leadership. They're stepping into mentorship. They're stepping into the roles where they will help to shape the future of advanced manufacturing with precision, with passion, and maybe a little tap magic cutting fluid. As we bring this evening to a close, apprentices, please take a moment to be proud of yourselves. Congratulate yourselves because you have truly earned it. These 70 graduating apprentices, they've racked up 2,725 college credits, 27,250 hours in the classroom, over 338,000 on-the-job hours, translating into approximately 6 million plus in wages. So that is something. So tonight you walk out of here not just with a certificate, but with a nationally recognized journey level credential that speaks to your discipline, your grit, and your perseverance. The word journey level has its root in the old French word journée. That's what Wikipedia said. No, I'm just joking. Actually, what it means is it means a day's work, right? It's about trading part of your day or night to learn something, some wisdom from the master. Apprenticeship is not just a mindset. Over time, you have learned and owned your skills, obtained knowledge, earned wages, and now it's time to move forward and to give it back. To be the next shop lead, to be the next leader, to be the next instructor, or be that master in somebody else's journey. Remember to thank those who helped you get there, your instructors, your mentors, employers, family, peers, because nobody does this alone. All right, with that concludes our graduation ceremony for 2025. Thank you all for coming out.